We have an Xbox One X with this broken connector that I need to sort out, right? Oh my tweezers. So we already have a problem here, yeah, with this pad gone, and this one is actually almost coming off the board, so I need to sort that out as well. So there's my repaired trace, that copper wire that you see, that one there, and this one is loose, so we're going to try and stick it back to the board. Just for context, this is how small we are working. So now I'm gonna seal that to the board and seal that one to the board. Okay, that's one side done, tested with the multimeter, all making good connection. Now for the other side. Alhamdulillah, we are done, we did it. Woohoo, woohoo. Let me do it again, look. Taking it out, watch. I need 3 hands. I need 3 hands. Did you hear that? Zzz. Alhamdulillah. And one more test I can show. Getting 5 volts through the USB, which is now fixed, sorted.